When you're choosing a guitar pick, I would recommend trying a lot of different guitar picks to start out with. The Dunlop picks are really good. One I personally use is the Dunlop 2.0mm, the USA one. There's hardly any movement in there, it's really thick. But this will help with really clean lines while you're picking, and it'll make your strumming sound very loud. For a beginner, I wouldn't really recommend that because it's really difficult to strum with to start with. I would recommend a thinner guitar pick, one that can bend fairly easily. Strumming with a thin pick will give you that percussive guitar sound, particularly on an acoustic guitar, and that could be really nice sounding. In general, I would recommend a guitar pick about 0.6mm thick, something like that, to get you started. That'll be perfect for most applications. As for holding the pick, we're going to have a little hooked first index finger there. Guitar pick's going to sit poking out like that, and the thumb's going to sit straight up on the back there, holding onto it. So we have that shape like that. So we don't want loads and loads of the plectrum showing like that because we'll have no control over it. So tuck it in. So you've got about that much showing. When I personally play, I have very little showing, so you can hardly see the guitar pick. But to start with around about that. That will keep you comfortable and you won't lose your plectrum so much, and you'll have a lot of control as well. You can experiment with how you're holding it as well. In general, I hold it with 2 fingers. Some people do hold it with 3. I find it really awkward to hold it with 3. Little flag, 2-finger hold. That's the way to go. Check out this video here for some tips on finger placement and holding the guitar. Thanks for watching and take care.